Hello, who's speaking? Laura?
Hello?
Hello, is this Laura speaking?
No, it's Claire.
Oh, hi Claire.
Hi.
Wait. Basically, the council don't want to give me a home. Look, don't worry about those people. Just tell them I'm going to Nigeria after my PhD. But that they shouldn't disturb my life ever again. Uh, I don't give them anything anywhere. I've worked too hard. So for suing them to, you know, give them a dash of something.
Sorry, I'm just going to put you on hold a second. I won't be a
Oh,
second.
okay, that's fine. So who again? Let's get an 055 call. I'm still on hold. I'm still on hold. Oh, what email? Fine. Hello. Hello, Jenny. Hello, Jenny. Oh, hi. Hey, how are you? Hey. Can go if you don't talk to me. I'm black. I can go if you don't talk to me. I don't really wanna. Hello, how are you? You good? Good. Hey, ma'am. Oh. How are you? Oh, hi. How are you? But this is Jenny. This guy, like, sorry, hello, how are you? Well, not for a man here. Sorry, man. Thank you. Sure. Oh, what's my thing? Wait, 1 second. Hey, how are you? How are you? Oh, guys in. Wait, I can't see you. It's confusing me. Oh, man's doing it. Oh no. Oh.
Patrzył się, może.
Hey, how are you? Hello, come on. Hello, man. How are you? I think it's a lady. Oh, you're in a bed? No. What up? What up? 6'7", 6'7", guys. Guys, 6'7", 6'7". How you do it? 6'7", guys. No, 6'7". Hola.
What's up, my boy?
Hey, what's up, Magic? Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Hello.
Hello. Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? YouTube, man.
Let's speak Russian.
Russian, Russian, Moldova, for the Moldovan, Russian, the Salut, Sedati, Salut, there's a word for it, beginning with an S, Moldovan, there's a word, don't say hello in Russian. You know, no speak Russian, sorry. You have to do accent, you know, I want to learn Russian. Guys, 6'7". 6'7". I wish I was 7.
Yep, 6'7".
Like, you're the kids. Like, kids. Guys, are you on YouTube? Like, I go YouTube channel. Like, YouTube. Can you go to my YouTube, guys? Guys, my YouTube, guys. Can you go to my YouTube? Like, I'll give you my YouTube channel. Please check. No, you don't have to. You don't have to. Oh my days, boy. Oh, please, hello. Oh my God, stop doing that! Man, disgusting. Sorry, no. Sorry. Man, go to my YouTube channel. I love you. I love you. I love you, man. Hello, my YouTube channel. Like, how are you? 6'7". What's the other one? You got Skibidi Rees. You got this. I'm the Rizzler. It's kind of funny because like it's trending. What's your name, sir? Your name. I wanna know your name. Mm. My name. You call me Namdi. Namdi. You can call me Obi Nexus. My YouTube channel Obi Nexus. Oh, this fake photo. Sorry. Hmm? It's wonkers, man. Why is everyone wonking? It was fucking wonky. Pedo. Oh, sorry, me. Want to see my. Do you the fight? No, I no fight. Look, sir. Go here. You wanna add me? No, don't add me nothing. Subscribe, please. It's old. You old man. Hmm? Oh, hello. 6 7 6 7. You know the song. You know, I got the race la. The race la. Oh, that's the race la. You got a race. I got actually. I'm looking for a woman. That sounds. Hola. I swear, these Gen Z kids, man. Ooh. What are you doing, me? I love you. Hey, I love you. I love your wall. I love your wall. Nice tiles. 6 7. No, 6 9 or 9 6. Which one? No. I love your walls, man. Wait. 1 second, guys. Can you subscribe, please, to my YouTube channel? Let me give you, please, I beg of you, check me out. I got YouTube channel. I got followers too. No, we. Male. I'm male. I'm male. Oh, male. Me. Age. 1 second. I'm thinking what you're thinking. I'm 24. My DOB. Oh wait. Oh. Oh no, cocoon. Oh, hey man, you got Feg, Riz. No, I don't understand that music. What that music mean? You know Al Qaeda music though. I thought you'd be Al Qaeda. You're from Albania. Hola, buenos dias. Oh, you're no. I can't give you coins. No, 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 no. Hello, my lady. Wait, can I? Wait, hello. Hola, hola. Mamacita. Gracias. Bueno. Oh my life. This is Ladies Paradise. Have you got a BOP account? Do you know what a BOP account is? Have you got an account? A BOP account? We? No. What? We have a. What you do for business? This business site. You know, chat how you get paid, everything. Why you looking at me like that, babe? I'm black. I'm like, hola, hola. Let's you come. How to say it? Do you speak? Como estas? That means how are you? Let me think now. Come, amigo. Um, that's my friend. Sorry. How is this? Oh, muscle Philippine. Oh my god. Look, I mean, oh my god. Oh, look, look. That song is legendary. Are you gay? Are you on the spectrum as well? Are you autistic?
No.
No, you're not. Oh my days. Are you happy? Like you know what I mean? Like gay? Happy?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, fine, fine. Now I got one more question. Happy gay. Are you? Do you have a BOP account?
A what?
A BOP account, like a porn star, like like I don't have a Pornhub account. I don't have any adult account. I do have like some, but I don't have something I'm actively on. You get it?
Yeah.
I call it a BOP account, like a bopper, shopper.
Yeah.
It's like it's not saying the word to the children or like
Yeah, the word.
yeah. It's better that way because they don't know it. You get it? Hola, madam. Mamacita. Hello. Hey, man. How are you?
What's good? I'm well, man.
Oh, you seem kind of like you're England.
Yeah, I'm you good.
Oh, I'm in UK too, but I don't have a house. Like, I'm like trying to get a house. The council won't give me a house. I was going to Cambridge. Look, don't worry about me. Hola. All that.
Then what's he the skip?
Oh, cute ladies. No, boy. You wanna go? No.
Yo, let's get through.
Let's go. 6, 7. This never gets old in your age. You're gonna be like remembering this as a child. What did we have as a child? Teletubbies. What's Teletubbies? What do we have? We had Sporticus. Wait, 1 second. 1 second. Do you know Sporticus? That guy. He's still old, like he's great. It's like still growing right now, but it's still the same action.
Why do you look like Shaquille?
What?
Why do you look like Shaquille?
Shark O'Neal. Shark O'Neal. Oh, Shark. Oh, look, the guy. Oh, I forgot what he looks like. I don't look like him.
Yeah.
Oh, 6'7" kid. 6'7". 6. You look like him. No, you know him. No, you know him. But you look like him.
No, not.
No, you are. You wait. Before you go, Rafi, you're not 25. I can know that for sure by your face. Can you go to my YouTube channel, please? My YouTube channel, please. My YouTube.
What you do?
I basically I'm doing my PhD there. But I'm doing. Look. I don't want you to end this call. I don't want you to leave before I say what I need to say. If you go to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/@obnexus. O for Oscar. Let me just write it down because I don't want to offend. Because I know you're gonna be get bored of it. But
I'm not gonna do it.
no, I know. But please, we don't have to talk about it. We don't.
Oh,
We don't.
Never mind. I'll put it on now. Tell it.
Oh.
What's your account called?
What's your account called?
OB Nexus. OBI Nexus. O for
Can you just spell it out like that?
O for Oscar. B for Bravo. I for Indigo.
Yeah.
N for November. E for Echo. X for X-ray. U for Umbrella. S for Sarah.
Oh, there you are.
Yeah. So basically, if you go to the more section, you see my GitHub pages. So that's I'm doing my PhD, but I'm doing something called ontological research. So basically, it's about myself. I'm 24.
Oh, you're live.
Oh, I'm not live. Oh, am I?
You are.
Oh, basically, I'm live. Oh, you can see me. Sorry, I thought I turned it off. I swear to God, I turned it off. Okay, let me turn it off. Like, no, I want to turn it off because basically, oh, yes, you can see me. That's epic. So basically, it's my repository. Oh my days, guys. So basically, this is some projects I worked on. But these are all like code projects, so you can find any projects you want here, but you can clone it, you can download it. Oh, sorry, that's not the one I want. I think it's gone. Oh, you can.
No.
Oh, so this one's like a polyglot system. You can talk to any language, but it has a YouTube video. So here's a YouTube video. Let me try to find the YouTube video here. Oh, this lattice. Something I'm working with lattices.
Yeah.
But
How many people are alive?
oh, basically, I never know. I never know because it doesn't say. I didn't really set up. I never know. But you're not in the live. But this is like a project, so you can download this. You can extract it, which is just this file. This is a C programming language. This is C written in C. But these are like C files. This is a C program I wrote. But this is like polyclaw. But when you build this file, you get executable. And you get this v1, you get a bin, you get this file, a polyclaw. But everything's in YouTube basically. So you go to YouTube, you watch the playlist. If you go to the playlist section, but this is me right now. You're seeing. So I can't see you, but you can see me. Oh, this is logo. Yeah. So this is logo of the system. This is logo. Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, it's fun. It's impressive.
Yeah, but I had to be very careful because I did it. But I run a small something called a constitution. So this is like a business, but it's not like a business of specialization. So you get okay. So pick a repository. Pick any one you want. Any. Oh wait.
Third one.
The third one. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Look, I'm gonna explain this project. I'm gonna try to explain this. Okay, basically, sorry guys. I'm trying to basically I'm trying to hide this. So this is something called a chroma library. So it's like but this was not really done. It's like I used AI to craft it, but this is like image compression algorithm and color correction at the same time. So it's just something called basically it doesn't really work as intended. It's like broken because you can download it and you can run it. If you run this file, if you write Python, if you basically pip install PyChroma, but you have to write pip install or dash e dot. So this is set up the Py. So this is like how you set up Python project. It's a library, so you can install it into your system, but it's not complete. Basically, it doesn't work as intended. So this one project is not really fully developed. Oh no, I have to go back to it. Sorry. I'm scared you're not still there, man. It's like
No, I am. Wait, so you done this all by yourself?
yeah, but this one I can explain what this does basically. So basically, this is something called a chroma system. So it's basically color collection. Oh, it's not even paint. Color collection. Basically corrects colors and advanced Huffman. Basically, it's a color correction and a color correction and compression. So it's basically meant to stop.
To you.
Pardon?
I subscribe to you.
Look. I don't really care if you subscribe because you know my domain of computer science, but I want you to like at least follow me, follow me on the social media. So you get all my other ones here. Discord. I don't even want this. I don't really care. This is like okay. Oh, one more thing. So that's okay. So these are basically proofs files. These are patterns here. So these are patterns. So these patterns are downloadable artifacts. So these are patterns, but they're linked to the ORCID account. So these are like work I did. Where is it? So like these are like proofs. So how you use them is if I give you the right. Basically, this is a grant. So I was going to Cambridge this year and I fucked up. But if you get like a proof file here, let me put pick one file, a PDF file. Let's do this one. It won't load up. It won't load up. See, like this view PDF won't load up, but it's allowed to load up because it's too big. But it does load up. That's the thing I'm saying to you. It just wouldn't load up here because it's not here. So this is infinite comes to that. So this is a lot of things I try to do. But this is like yes. So basically, this is something called this MD file or Markdown file, but the PDF files are the proofs themselves because living in text, but they meant to use them to like sorry, I went back too far. You meant to use them to write programs because the programs work. For example, this one here, it's overview. The simulation of bug. Basically, there's something called a filter flash functor. So it's for like conscious modeling. So basically, it's like based on AI systems. So this is an AF proof. Basically, it's a filter flash functor. So FF cubed. See what I'm saying? It's for consciousness modeling. See what I'm saying? So basically, this is a filter. This is a model of consciousness. So it's like the filtering is the searching and sorting of stuff. The flash is the storage of things. So like if you sort something out, you have to store it, and that's the fact. Basically, it's consciousness modeling. So if you're sorting something, you cannot start by sorting something first, like making a room solving a puzzle, or you flash it, or you like store by storing a corner piece of the puzzle. If you have a big puzzle, which what it means? The functor just means the mapping of functions. It's like a mapping of it. So the functor is 3, so it's L cubed. So basically, it's meant to like work on like our models of consciousness. It's like conscious AI systems. But I used to love AI too, so I don't really But basically, this is like a thing, like consciousness simulator. It's like meant to simulate consciousness. You see what I'm saying? So it's like this. You can't even run this code right now, but because it's not indented, it's Python. So it's what I'm saying to you guys. Are you there? Are you there? No. 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 Hey Lily. Hey Lily. Hey. No. We. What oh sorry. I think it's like Sweden. Hey Swedish man.
Sorry?
How are you, sir?
I'm
Sir.
good, sir. How are you?
I'm good. Oh, you have such a nice voice. I'm like really struck as Swedish deep Swedish accent. We don't really have a lot of that in Sweden. But you are taking care of yourself, that's what that means. Wait. So can you go to my YouTube channel? You see I'm live on it.
Is it Nambi Okpala?
Oh yes, yes. Namdi Michael Akbala. But basically I'm live on YouTube. Let me give you the link to my YouTube. Basically, sorry. Hello.
Tastes good though.
Hola.
What's up, bruv?
AJ. Do I know you?
Beat
Sorry.
it to you, brother.
AJ, I swear to God, you look like someone I know, AJ. I think it's down the street. Look.
It's crazy. I really didn't know they had black people in the UK.
Yeah, you didn't think so? No more?
No.
You think the way that I changed us to all white? yeah. I don't think that works like that though. But there's kind of like
Did you shed a tear when the Queen died?
I don't know the Queen. I didn't know him personally. I don't know the Queen. Oh, some kids, man. What the fuck? Hello, ladies. Hola. Oh, Filipino. Wait, are you from? What's her name? B. Bereti. There's a country there, Burgundy in America. No, Latinos are not there. Upper B. Malaysian. No. Tribe. Look, like I'm looking for some kind of country. Malaysia. Are you from Malaysia? No, I said that wrong.
What are you talking about?
You're not from India. You're from America, aren't you? You're in America. So there's this country there where there's a lot of Filipinos. Not Brazil, but it's higher up. So I'm thinking, because my friend is from there. Someone I know. Sorry, I don't know.
Geography,
Hello? Hey man, how are you?
What's up? I'm good.
Look, please don't leave this chat. Let's have a good chat, like 30 minutes. Like, how long do you have? Like, I don't want to stress you. I don't want you to stress me. So let's have a chat. I want to travel. I want to actually talk to someone. It's like
Yeah, sure.
okay, look. Let me say a time actually. Let me say a timer. 25 minutes of timer for both of us. 25 minutes starting. 30 minutes maximum. Started. 25 minutes starting now. Okay, let's do it. So basically, how are you, man? So basically, I got my YouTube channel here. I didn't even know I was live until I continued but I was live. So that is the YouTube channel. If you go there, you should see youtube.com /OBI Nexus. So if you search this word, you see I'm live, but I'm not streaming you. You're not being streamed. I swear to God, I don't stream anyone. I don't really care.
So should I take the
Yeah. Go there. Go there. Take a look. You see my face. You see your face. You quit. If you see your face, you quit. Wait.
Yeah.
You can see me?
Hold on.
No.
Yeah, I can see you well.
Oh, you can see me on YouTube? I prefer it for you, but not for me. Because I prefer if you see me. But basically, where's my other links? Wait 1 second. Can you see me?
Yes.
You can see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Yeah. So basically, I just set it up properly because it's kind of limited communication with people. So basically, this is my repository on GitHub, OBNXS. But I run something called a constitution. So you live and you work there, basically. So you live and you work there. So
Yeah,
yeah. So basically, I got some proof here. I go patents directory, but these are just documents cognitive architecture. I got project worker. You go this one's very good. Blue share. But I don't speak about myself. I just want to speak about you. But this is some proof documents. So this is some documents. I don't think it's there. Basically, this is Bluetooth. Basically, this is a polyglot Bluetooth system. It doesn't really work as intended yet. But it's like imagine this: like you and your friends are me and you are like on a Bluetooth network, but we listen to the same music, but we're in a choir room. So basically, that's the idea of this. So you are like in a choir room and you are listening to music or you're doing some kind of activity. We all quiet, but we're doing some kind of activity and we're just reading, basically just like reading our books, but we're still synced. You know, it's like that. Basically, it's like Bluetooth, it's like Bluetooth audio or Bluetooth sound, but like for a lot of people, you know, for a network, not just for one person. I want to make this, but look, don't worry about this for now. But this is like it's basically it allows you to talk to people on it. You can have like a pay as you go service on it, so you can like you can share the network with a lot of people, and you can pay money for internet. You know, in less what is love, not internet. You know what I'm saying? So fly here, man. So this is like one project I was like working on. So so you get Bluetooth distributed mesh topology. Pick up Venmo. It's like Venmo style. You pay for what you need. That's what Venmo account is. It's like temporary. So it's like a temporary account, but you need it because you need the service. So that's what Venmo is if you don't know. But you know, I got a lot of projects here. This diagram. Now you got some of the implementation, and some of them are missing. Because I don't have time. What was it like a diagram? So you get this one. This is diagram. No, this is diagram. Basically, this is like a active memory system. So it's like he's like a erosion autistic. So I realized it's like basically this is a project you can run. But it's called diagram. So you can code it. It's a code project. You can download it. But it's based on the proof. So the proof is in the pattern. So if you go to the pattern, this is the minimum viable product. So you can download this project and run the MVP. But they do execute and they do work. But they have basically you got C files here.
Okay, hold on.
Yep. Go ahead. I want to hear what you're going to say.
Okay, yes, okay.
Go ahead.
I'm still not really understanding.
Yes. Of course. Basically, I'm trying to do my PhD this year. But I'm doing something called ontological research. So it's like research on myself, on my nature of being, ontology. So it's not like a standard sponsored PhD, which is called an MPhD. So I'm doing something called an O PhD, which is kind of a new PhD I made. But it fits me better like autistic. Basically, it's ontological. It's about my nature of being. So it's about me. If you know the word, if you don't know the word ontology, it means me, myself, and I. About ourselves as human beings, about ourselves as autism, about ourselves, our nature of being. That's called ontological research. So it's not focused on money. It's focused on tailored to you because it's like about you first before the research. You get it?
Yeah. Oh, wait, it's so cool. What the heck?
Yeah. So that's the thing. So it's like this is like basically if I go back to the patterns one, there's like patterns, but they are like documents you read first before you implement it. So what's diagram? What's diagram? So basically, this one's called quantum field theory. But what's the D? Sorry, I missed it. I didn't see it. So it should be up, because it's indexable. So this is C notation. So it shouldn't be the code basically. It should be only basically this is just kind of documentation. But this is like basically this is like a direction structure. It's like it's spelled wrong. It's like a lot of things because a lot of stupid AI things. But this is like something called an active memory system. It knows what it's doing. So it's called an active memory because it knows to store. Basically. So it knows to store. Basically I can give you the encoding table for it, but it's just easy for you to understand. Let me just give you the encoding table for it because it's just easier. I got my pen and paper here. But I'm not teaching you. I'm not meant to teach you. I can teach you, but I don't really want. I just want to make it make sense. So I don't want you to even answer any question. I don't want you to answer any question. I just want to show you that it works. Okay?
It's good if you ask me questions.
Yes, of course. So basically, I've got two models of it, but I don't want to force you to do it. So what was it? Diagram. So this called a truth table. You won't remember it because you know computer sciencey. I don't expect it to be computer sciencey. So you get A and B. So you see this? So basically, you see this? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. So basically, let me just do it now. C naught. And you get sorry.
Wait.
Yeah, wait. Wait 1 second.
Mind if I smoke on the
No, I don't really care what you do. Sure, I don't give a shit. I don't really care. I mean, out. So you get 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is not the episode. This is not the sparse one. This is not the sparse one, but this is just the standard classical computer one. So can you see it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Basically, you see 0, 0. This is called a state machine. But this is a truth table for a state machine. So this is like memory. So this 0, 0. What they mean is nothing. So you get a XO, which is similar to C naught operator. So this is an XO. So basically, you do 0 or 0 first. So if you make 0, if you take the first 0 and you go 0 or 0, this is 0 or 0, and that equals 0. So you get it. So that's first order. So this is the same thing in classical one, but you get 0 or 0. This is the same thing for the class. You get 2 zeros. So you get 2 there. So you get it. So what this does is just stores nothing. So you get the output of 0. You get it. So you do this.
Okay.
It's a state
Hold on,
machine.
Hold on. 1 second.
Yep.
1 second. 1 second. Up Nexus.
Yep.
Okay, Nexus.
Yep.
Okay. Slow down.
Yep.
Slow down. I wanna like.
Re-
Can I give you some advice?
Yeah, I'm just waiting because of time. So it's like
No,
so
no, it's not wasting my time. It's really interesting in what you do. You're so fucking smart.
yes,
So, like,
I mean I know because it's not a it's not a
Chill out.
sorry I can't force it on you basically. But it is like this for me because I'm autistic. So the thing is, you get sorry, let me just remove this right now. This is like an oral. So basically, you get this is state machine.
Hold on.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hold on. Slow down.
Yep.
Slow down.
Yep.
Do-
So
is it like, do you have work or like anything after? Do you have time? So, like,
no, basically, I have some problems regarding my housing situation. I'm still in a camp. I'm in a camp. Basically, the UK shit is like so. Basically, I'm trying to leave the UK because I have other things I want to do. But I'm part of Mensa. Like if you want to know me, I don't really want to.
I have an advice for you if you want to like make this project
No, wait.
Wait.
Look. Don't worry about me. I mean, it is like for me, it is like kind of difficult, but I can be able to do it through it. But I'm not masking. I'm like I don't want to be masking. I don't like the basically when I mask and unmask, it's very easy for me. The problem with people masking is like when they mask, I'm autistic. I'm on the spectrum. When they mask, you don't want to get out of the masking because it started failing with the people. That's what I'm saying.
I know you have problem right now, but hold on, brother.
Yep.
But it's the way that you trying to like express the project and like
Yeah. You see, I didn't explain what this is. You see, this is a true statement. I didn't. It just like sounds smart, but you didn't ask the question. But I know instinctively that I should have just told you what this was. Because I just drew some lines. Just listen to some lines.
Brother,
No. Go ahead.
Let me finish.
Sorry. I just got
Okay, it's that you need to chill out when you say something.
Chill.
Yeah. Hold
Oh,
on.
like pause, like pause. Sorry. Wait. 1 second. I definitely get what you're saying. I definitely get it.
Yeah. So can we have some time and talk, not like on the work, but how like
Yes.
you're gonna, like,
It is no. It shouldn't be a problem. Yes. Go ahead.
yes. It is like I'm a new one. I don't know anything about the like scientific
Yeah.
based
You wouldn't.
on
You
the
wouldn't.
project.
You wouldn't.
And also like how the computer works.
Yeah.
But it is like it's you have to like broaden it out like some
Okay.
summary
You know what I'll do.
the thing.
You know what I'll do.
Like okay. So the project is for like people like having problem and help or like something. Like,
Yeah. You see, that's basically that's our wait. Sorry. That's our entire education system. It doesn't really give you the problem. You see, it doesn't. It doesn't. We just go into the problem thinking we're gonna solve it, but we don't know what we're solving for. You get it? We don't have an education system. It's like that. That's what I'm saying. So it's just like that. So basically, I don't even start with what I'm saying. Let's just start being like basically something called bi-directional learning. But
really.
yes.
Hold on, let me finish.
Go ahead.
Can I like I'm also like really don't understand what I'm gonna doing
Yep.
your project.
Yes.
Like,
Yes.
What
Yes.
can I do to help?
Yes,
Yeah,
okay. You don't have to help. No, look. I want you to just acknowledge what I've said, but I'm not forcing it on you, because I want you to just get the information the way you know it, because the way you can process it. That's the problem with the case. It's not like I'm always right. That's what I call bi-directional, because I can be right. I don't really care. But if you haven't absorbed information, they haven't really taught you it or remember anything, there's nothing that I can teach you that you remember. You know what I'm saying? Because it doesn't want to go in your head, even. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of the problem with the whole indication system. It's not tailored. It's what it is. It's just what it is. But let me stop. Stop there. So, I was gonna say this is like a truth table, but I don't want to go to truth table. I want you to explain why I'm even drawing this. Let's start from scratch. I can explain this quickly, in a high level term, but I don't want to do that. Basically, hello.
Yes, continue.
Okay, basically, this is called a truth table. But you don't know what this is. This is like a model of it's a Boolean model. It's not even Boolean algebra. It's just a Boolean model of logic gates. They work only on logic gates. What's the logic gate? A logic gate. Let me try to draw the one I know. You get input A, B. You get this one's called so you get AND gate, you get AND, you get NAND, but this is just opposite. You get what AND, you get NAND, you get O, you get XOR, you get a negate, and you get basically you get right shift. Basically these are all the bit wide operators you can do. So this is what it is, really you can do. So, but you can join them to make more, or configure them. So you get AND, so you get 0 and 0. You get 1. It's like, think of it as the times table for binary. The times table, the operations you can do on binary, like 0 and 0 is 0, because so you basically get 1 plus 1 equals 1, 2. The same thing. I feel stupid, but it's for binary systems. That's all it is. It's called it's like a switch, or if you really don't understand, it's a switch for an input state in the transistor late. So basically, it's just what these transistors do when the computers process information at the hardware level. You get it?
Yes.
Thank goodness. So what this is now is called a truth table. But it's the simplest model you can have of it. So this one is the problem I'm trying to say DIRAM is. DIRAM stands for Directed Instruction Random Access Memory. That's basically just something that knows what it stores. So it's an active memory system. That's it. So basically, just feel like basically this is like basically directed instructions means like it knows what it's doing. It just knows what it stores. Basically like RAM. This means RAM. So you go RAM. This is DIRAM.
Yes.
So this is directed instruction. So it knows what it stores. So it's not like a DDR RAM, which is passive. It doesn't know what it stored. It knows what it stores. It observes the state and knows what it stores. It's like a RAM. You can physical silicon. But I don't wanna show you this here. But this is the model of it. So let me just show you on the paper. So on paper, can you see this? So you get 0 or 0. That will be 0. Because if this is 1, it's true. But this is false. False and false. What that means? False. So you get false here. So this is similar to but you get 2 falses because it's quantum computing. False or false is false or 0 and 0. So this is 0. Exclusive 0. So you now have the state, or basically you get this state done. So basically this state becomes, you evaluate this state. Then you evaluate this state here, which is B. So basically,
Wait. I don't really want to know how it works right now, but I really want to know like the way the system gonna like what is
yes.
and
Yes, but why the application? The application. Yes, yes, that's a good question actually. So imagine like you have like an AI driving system, AI car, and you're doing real world testing, and you have a passive system. Now, the passive RAM will what? Restore information, but what if it crashes? What if it's an AI plane and it falls out of the sky? You want to find information why that real world test failed before it goes into production. So even though the AI system crashes, what you get is what? The white box. So if you recover the black box, it basically is black to the us. But the black box you get the RAM in passive system, the RAM will store the information, but will be or it will not be destroyed. It will never be recovered information. But if the RAM is active, it actually knows what it's storing. Basically, what is solid state drive stored? Basically, what the person that's the idea.
I could understand that.
Yeah.
Like, hold on, it's too deep.
Yes. I know. It's kind of new.
That I need to take time. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's
So
okay. Go ahead.
I want you to like. I want you to like.
I can give you an example.
Yeah, I explain the system, not how it works, not how it just like introduce me. Like,
Yes.
okay, it's the system. How gonna like it's applied.
Yes.
You know.
In application, like what do you mean, like at a lower level? Because you just give the high level of it, like in the real world. Let me give you more theoretical. Say you want to debug a program. You want to debug a program. Okay. Now you got that program. Basically, I'll give you an example. Say your program crash. Your program crash. But you want to debug why did my program crash? You have to look at the crash dump. Something called the crash dump. Now, the crash dump will give you the information you need to see it. But what if your program crashed and the crash dump crashed? Then you get no output, no log. You know what I'm saying? So you wouldn't. That's kind of an example. So it's like the system doesn't know why your program crashed. So basically, the system knows why your program crashed, but it can't tell you why your program crashed because the program that crashed. It's like you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So if the program doesn't know what it's doing, it's not an active system, it's a passive system. So that's the main problem of it. So if the two programs crash, your program you're writing
So basically,
and your
your software is like the tracking of a program that
yes,
like
perfect.
running.
So you got the visualizers here. Basically, you got like here. Let me just see. Basically, you got the HTML file you can download, but I can't open it now. But you got like the V5, V5.4. You can just basically can compile this program with a C file, GCC if you know how to run C. But you got like this program, you have to compile it with C. You can download this file and use a compiler to run it. You can Arc.ai to run it or what it does. But you got other implementations there. But don't worry about that. But it's just basically crash dump. Basically, it's a program that knows what it's doing. It's actually watching the state of what it's doing. You know what I'm saying? So it knows. It's just you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I'm more interested in what you're doing right now. Like, okay, why you do make this software?
Why I'm here? Oh yes. Basically yes. Basically I got bored and I was like, let me go online. Because I'm like trying to go back to my country, but I don't have I'm basically got my passport here, but I'm trying to go to Cambridge first, to do my PhD. But I basically meant to go this year. But the council's like the count basically they're corrupt. They don't want to help me. I'm 24. Basically, I don't even have a house right now. I'm like in a care home, right? Basically, it's shit country. This country is shit. It's rubbish. I'm going back to my country, but I'm trying to go through my PhD first, so I can become a professor in Cambridge. When I go become a professor, it'll be easier to go back and forth. But I'm part of Mensa. But I can't really go without money, time. But I'm trying to go to Japan to see Blackpink or like all the things gay pop. But I'm interested in traveling the world. But I'm not interested in like basically I'm part of Mensa. If you don't know Mensa, don't worry about me. I'll do that, but it's just time and money. You see what I'm saying? I don't want your money. I don't want no money. But I can solve my problem. So basically, I don't even want anybody help me. I don't trust people. I don't. Okay, so basically, I don't wanna discuss that, but it's that. So let me get to this. So basically, this is like a state machine model. So you get a state machine here. Basically, you see, like this is the board here. So you get a board. So this is state machine here. So 0 is what? Zero. That's all. But this is exclusive or. So basically, this is 1 0 or this is down operation or. Now this one means like false or false. And then XOR means so you get this thing, then you do XOR, exclusive false or false. So when you do two false, you get one output false, and this is a false. And basically this is 0 0. You get it? Basically you start with 0, you end with 0. You get it? Next one, 0 1, because this is like a right of 1. Oh, sorry, this is 1 0 0 1. This is 1. And this is like sorry, this is 1 0. Sorry guys. So you get 0 1. So basically 0 or 1 gives you 1 because 1 is true. And then you start from this state and this state 1 and 1. 1 XOR. Basically when you exclude 1, you get exclusive O. You get 1. So you get 1 here. So you get 1 output. So this becomes epsilon. So you get nothing. So if the EA system crashes, you get epsilon. You get nothing. So this is just discarded. When the system crashed. My pen just ran out of ink. Sorry guys. Sorry man. So basically it's you see this one? So basically this one is this one here. Oh, it's run out of ink again. Sorry man. So this one here is like the input 1. This is information. This is true. You get it? You get what I'm saying with this? Yes, so that's the same thing. So you get the same thing here, 1 0 or 0 1. So 0 1. So 0 or 1 is 1. Now 1. Now you get 0 or 1 is 1. Now you get 1 and 1 is 1. So 1 XOR 1. But you get 1 at the output end. So you see what I'm saying? Because this 1 is preserved, but this must be 0. So 1 or 0. This is 0, this is 1. So this is 0. 1. So you get 1 at the end. Because you get through the straight, which is like a state machine. That takes it, and you get 1 1. So 1 or 1, 1 or 1, basically becomes 1. But you get this one, next one, XOR exclusive 0 1. Because they're both true, because they're both 1, you preserve the next state 1 1. So you get the full information 1 1. So basically you get the information you preserve. My ink is running out of pen again, which I'm annoyed. Can you see on the phone? Can you see it? Can you see it on my camera? Can you see it?
Yeah, kind of blurry, but
Yeah. It's like a shit. So this is like the 1 1. So this is like if you start with a 1, you get O. So basically, this is only the 2 bits of information, 2 inputs. So you need 2 inputs, A and B, via the circuits to work. Because if you have a 0, you don't have to store anything. If you have a 1, just store it. So basically, it's like a circuit model. It's like but it's just one. This is like the non-sparse one. But I'm saying to you guys, it's like it just knows what it is. It doesn't like store it. So basically, this oh stop. Basically, you see this information. It's remembered. The computer just remembers it because it doesn't need to store it. Basically, if the hardware crashes, the RAM can recover the lost information because it doesn't. It's been processed through the RAM. Because the RAM is temporary. So if the RAM breaks in a black box, then we are screwed.
wow, it's genius.
It's genius. So that's like kind of like what I've been working on. But basically, that's not the only one I've been working on. I'm working on this past one. Oh wait. Basically, let me try and get my YouTube channel up. Let me try. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. I think I got it because it's like a XSplit. It's like limited. Oh no. Let me duplicate this scene. Should I duplicate this scene? Wait. Can I wait 1 second? Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see.
Basically, I didn't want you to see me. I just want you to like. Wait. Let me delete this one. My pen ran out of ink. It's like my pen just ran out of ink, so I have to use a pencil now. So basically, so this is my YouTube channel, but I'm live. So basically, if I go to playlist, this is like everything's in playlist. Here, so you got a lot of work I did. This one's very important. Here, this is node 0. But this is like me talking on Node Zero. So you see this? Wait, what's my face? Wait, 1 second. So basically, 1 second, vcam. No, basically this is bound to vcam. 1 second. This is also. Basically this is like how you use the system. Node Zero. But you know it works in the end. So you go to the here. You go to the show. Basically, if you want to ask the AI system, you go to the show transcript, and you get this thing. Basically, use the standard transcript. So basically, you copy this transcript with a copy button, and you paste into AI. We can try that now if you want. Hello, I can't hear you. I can't.
Yes, I could hear you.
Okay, let me just try to show you how I do it. So we can use ChatGPT to do it. Let me try to. Basically, I have to duplicate this again because you know I don't want to duplicate screen. Wait 1 second. Well, basically, I just try to do it without cluttering it. So we're gonna try to go to ChatGPT.com, but we can use any AI system when you want. Do you have any preference
About what?
about AI? Like you know, you want to use it like you know something Chinese or like Hangul something. I don't even know what language. So basically, this is ChatGPT. You get it?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna paste this transcript. Paste as new source. Paste as linked source. Paste as Control-Shift-V. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry. So basically, I'm trying to place it paste text. So 1 second. Basically, this is not a paste. 1 second. Lock screen. Basically, I'm trying to get the transcript so I can paste it into the AI system here. But that's the transcript of the system. I was like basically my YouTube channel. 1 second, let me just find the transcript. Basically, you can go to the playlist, but this project is Node Zero, so we can ask the AI to like explain it, the transcript, because you know that's what the thing. But mostly get the transcript from my own source YouTube. But you know, I'm just gonna do that now. So the video is here. I mean, like so basically, 1 second, just like, because I don't want you to worry about like losing me here. Basically, I've got it now. We're gonna go here, paste it, paste, Control-Shift-V. Control paste as. It doesn't really allow me to paste. Oh my days. Oh yes, basically, attach search web, explore, github.com. Basically, we're gonna add the prompt. Basically, explore and explain. Explain. GitHub.com. Object system Node Zero. Basically, this is a very important one. You look at it. Oh, hey there, Node Zero. I see Alice and Bob. So this is like so this is like a package you can use to run it. I don't think he's there. No, I don't know. I'm kind of like wondering why I have not. It's like kind of awkward for me. So basically, you see this file? This like yes, this screen on my YouTube channel. This like Node Zero, so you can get this downloaded here with Git and clone them. But you can run the files here. It's like a ZK implementation. So if you go to the repository, if you're gonna clone it, you go to here. But I have a website basically. Node Zero. So basically, it's basically just saying this is the way you get it. So you see this thing? You can take the basically there's a proof here, but I don't think the proof will render basically. Oh yes, you get the markdown one. So basically, you get the markdown one. You get this is just proof documents. But they're not really bound to the system. So you get a proof of concept. Basically, you get something called the phantom decoder. This file is epic. It, like you know, you don't understand what this does, but it's a minimum viable product. Basically, this is the foundation of everything. Node Zero. So basically, this is like a bidirectional mapping of current coding. So basically, this is like the standard coding mapping. So what it does is like it gives you a pseudonym, a phantom ID, because you know you cannot derive Joe when Joe logs in. basically you get this works by my pen. What's my pen? Basically, my pen ran out of ink, man. I got pencils. I don't use pencils, man. Basically, you get oh. Basically, this is like the book I was trying to read. I'm scared of calculus. I'm scared. I'm basically calculus. I love calculus. It's like wait, 1 second. Let me try to get a pen. Yeah, 1 second. Give me a second. Okay. So I'm trying to read assembly too. Oh my goodness. So it's like oh, what is it now? So this is like here. This pen will not work. Trust me. So it's this is called a phantom ID. So it's like it's a phantom ID. It's basically zero knowledge proof encoded. But how do I do it? Zero knowledge. Basically, it's not zero key knowledge proof. It's like phantom network. Phantom network. So how do I do it? Basically, I'm trying to remember how I explained it to you before I write it down. But this is like a project you can download. So this one does basically if you run this Python, if you run this code here, oh, you can get an editor. We can do it in an editor, guys. Like we can run it directly in a Python REPL. I think it quit. I don't really know. But basically, I'm just wondering what it's quick because I'm kind of worried because when I hear sounds, I don't really know whether you're actually listening or not. 1 second. So basically, here it's like you get this Python file. If you run this Python file, oh wait, 1 second. Wait, you can run it. You can run it right. You can run it directly here. How do I do it? Control Alt. Basically, you can set up a kind of like a editor here. 1 second. 1 second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Sorry, I know you give me a second. I know you give me more than that, actually. So basically, you get this how to enter editor mode on when via GitHub.
Have you set up your security and like your software?
Oh yes, this is XSplit. This is XSplit because this is why I like. This is why I paid for XSplit. Yes. Shortcut. Basically shortcut. So basically, it's like. Basically, you see this like a shortcut for VS Code engine in GitHub. Control Shift what? So basically, I'm trying to like basically editor no Control Shift B. So unfortunately, look Control Shift G. Oh yes, Control Shift G for GIF features. Control Shift P for palette. And Control Shift V. But this should work now. 1 second. This should work. Control Shift V. It may not work. I hope it does work because we can run the code. That's the goal here, to run the code. 1 second. Control Shift V. Sorry, I don't even know why I put it, guys. Wait, it's kind of annoying me because I put it right here. Sorry, okay. Control Shift V. Control Shift V. Basically, it's not open up, but basically it's meant to open up some Control Shift P. Control of P. Basically, it's not open up. Basically, if you download this file, you can run it. Wait 1 second. I can't run it. Look. 1 second. I'm just trying to find another way to do it. So, because I'm thinking ahead now. So I'm gonna download one file, which is just this PR proof, and I'll explain what it does because it's easier to do it that way. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So we're in the same page. So what I have to do is start a REPL. So this is just like one REPL here. Let me put this here. This is like assume 4. So let me draw like a terminal. So Jupyter, what terminal do you want to use? Do you want to use any specific terminal? Because it's just the same thing running Python. Python help. Python. Oh no. Basically, I want to run some kind of terminal. 1 second. I'll show you what this does. But this is the whole proof of it's like the whole MVP you need. I'm surprised too, but it works the way I want it to. It wasn't really that hard to get it. But basically, you can't see me right now. 1 second. Debian. No, I don't want to use Debian. I'm using Ubuntu. But I want to anchor this shell. So I don't want to duplicate it. I want to let me just 1 second. Let me just duplicate this. Yes, 1 second. So 1 second, we gotta do one thing now. 1 second, text one. So basically, yes. So this is see this terminal. Basically, this was my screen right now. Can you see my terminal? Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yes.
Can you see my logo and my face, everything? So this is what it is. So basically, you see me here now. So I'm in my terminal. So I'm gonna try to copy that file from my repository, which is like Phantom ID.
Wait, where's the picture that you're drawing like on your logo?
Oh, on my logo. What do you mean?
Like, what is this stand for?
You mean that's called an oral seal?
Oh, so
Basically, it's like that picture is like a cultural. It's basically it doesn't mean it's basically I drew it. It means like basically 1 second. Let me just because I have to read it to you. But I know you like it, so I like it too. But it's symbolic to me. Look, it's kind of like it means a lot of things to me. But I'll come back to it. Let me just get the file first. I copy it first. 1 second. So can you see my terminal? Can you see my terminal?
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So fuzzy VM fuzzy no cd open access make directory a phantom ID. Basically, I'm creating like a phantom decoder. So let me just do it the way I do. td phantom. Basically, this is a directory. So you see, like I have no phantom file. So basically, it's basically decoder the pi. So this is a file here called phantom decoder. Now this file here is a Python file. It's a file I've copied in the system, but we're gonna run it and see what happens. And you tell me what you think, okay?
Yes.
We're gonna run it. So we're gonna type in Python.
Hold on.
Wait, sorry.
One second.
No, fine, okay. Sorry.
Ngồi một giờ mới đi. Đêm cưới. Rồi bây giờ nó ngồi. Sorry, it's my mom.
No. I think she's checking. That's good, you don't have to be with your mom. So like a phantom decoder, but if my Python is not installed, then it will not work. Look. Basically, Python is not installed. That must mean I have to install Python. Look. I don't even know how to start. But I don't want to do Python is Python. Look, I mean, I can just install it, but I don't want to install Python 3. So basically, I'm gonna try to install Python 3. Oh wait, look. You know what I do? Sorry, because it's here, but I haven't set that up. So I go to Debian. Basically, I've got a Debian shell. Oh no, I've got lots of shell access to the shell.
No, don't worry. I don't really understand.
No. Wait. 1 second.
I cannot understand.
Wait. You understand it because I'll explain to you so you can see my screen. So wait, look. The problem is they don't teach you how to model stuff in schools. So I don't teach you a lot actually. They don't teach you how to even do online systems. Basically, I'm looking into the Debian now, but I'm just trying to show you how this works. So I'm gonna phantom decoder. Basically, I'm gonna show you how this works, but you don't have to. Basically, I'm just gonna run it. You don't have to be scared. I don't want you to be overwhelmed. That's the kind I don't want. So this is the Python file I've downloaded. Phantom, I'm gonna move it properly so you don't get confused. The more that helps.
Like if the concept of tracking every program that's gonna crash, you
Yeah. It's basically. Don't worry about that. So wait.
No,
yeah.
I'm trying to say something else.
Yes, go ahead. No, go ahead.
That concept and that software really work on every program or at least one program or something. You could sell it to some business and you're gonna be rich. Really rich.
Look. It's not even that there's a problem. I'm working on something else, but every good thing. That's just the first stage of it. But it's just like a small thing to start with. But you haven't seen my latest
Yeah.
video because you're not following my channel like anybody else. You haven't seen my latest video because you're not following my channel. So I'll show you the transcript for my latest video next time. So basically, after this, I'll show you what I mean. So basically, you see this text? So this is like a general. Basically, you get something called an ID. This is your phantom ID. Now, this is your verification key. Now, this is your verification tool that you can do everything. So basically, what this does is like, basically, it creates a encoding, bidirectional encoding mapping. The bidirectional encoding is like, you can go from 9 to 0. It's like, you go back and forth. You have two ways to do it. You can two ways to encode something. So if you start Z is an A and A is a D, Z, no matter how way you encode, you can encode it. But the idea of phantom ID is really to encode something and ensure that there's someone else can't like decode it, because because if you have like it's not really making sense to you. Let me give you another way. So say you have it's a zero energy proof system. So you prove something is true. You prove something is true, and the other person knows it's true, and you don't tell any other information about it because you both know that the logic is true. You share one full truth. It doesn't. There's no information you have to add on, subtract. You don't add anything else. This is what it is. So basically, that's what it says. So basically, in this model, this is a hash table, identity data John. Now, encoder is a phantom encoder object. This is the data here. Now, this is the phantom ID encoder. Now, the generic ID is this. So this is generic ID. So basically, if you encode this information, which is a dictionary, you pass into the encoding ID, but you generate the phantom ID key. But you got the private key. Basically, you print the virtual key. The virtual key is the public key. The public key for it. But the public key is what? A basis for encoding. It's like it's public because it's basically for only. You don't get any information from it. So it's like, that's what it is. So do you get what I'm saying? So the basic default is kind of like, you can't tell what it is, but you put it out in it. But because no enough time, you can only use it to check stuff. Something is verified. You can't use it to get information. But this is like the public encoding. So you get a phantom ID, which is there up there. So you can just throw this verification key on the internet, but you cannot get the resource. You can't get the data because it's bidirectional code. You have to like try to decipher it. If it's a perfect hash table or perfect functor, a perfect hash table, you'll never be able to get it because there's no thing that you can exploit, and that's what it is. So when this key is sent over the network, this direction ID, you then have to it's valid, check it's valid based on the data that's meant to be gotten, and the verification ID on the other end. But thing is just you and you get the verification is valid. So if it's valid, true, but you get a derived ID. So the derived ID is the verification ID. If you change on the internet, some kind of artifact, but you can allow it to change through. It's kind of like you can allow it to change on the fly, but it's kind of weird, but it's what it is. So I hope you can understand that to some degree, because I don't want to go to a brick wall. Sorry, you get it? I love this one. So that's the idea. So if you don't know what basic 64 is, basic 64 is a standard ASCII to you go to.
Hold on. I'm really.
You like this one? I love it too. I love it. I love it. You're confused. I love it. I love you smiling. I love it. I love your smile. You see, that's why I love. It's zero knowledge. So basically, if I send information, you don't have to know. You only know the information is true because you can check it's true. You don't add any more protocol logic. You don't even add any more like flags to. You don't add anything else. That's the idea. So let me try to find it again for you. So I've got the proof here.
Hold on. Wait, I'm smiling and not. I don't understand the system. Not that I'm like.
Oh, you're a bit confused though. Okay, let me just find it. Something more.
Wait, hold on. Like, if I need to understand what it does and like how it's gonna work, it's gonna take like probably 1 month.
Wait, no. Basically, this is the phantom ID documentation. You can read it yourself. But you have like a sort to it. So the location is like a sort. So like the sort is like just the rotation. So you can change the sort, which is like the thing you to rotate the table. Think of it like a storing safely. The sort is where you store safely. So the hash, basically, I'm glad I documented this. The sort generator, the proof generator, the ID key pair, basically every time you change the sort, you get a new proof. But the same thing happened to the derive ID. So you don't know anything about the how the sort, because the sort is random. If the sort size or hex digest equal to the ID, the data, block size, then you get a perfect proof. You don't. There's no tampering with it, because there's no. It's like a perfect hash. It's like the encoding digest is equal to the sort, which is what used to change. And sort is going to be any random noise you get on the data, but you don't glue to the data. You have it like away from the data, because you want to inject it when you need it. So that's the idea. You do it. So it's like you get it. You get it now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's it. But it's not really I got other projects to show you, but this is for like quantum proof. This one's different. Look, don't worry about this basically. And this is the image here. Look at this logo, man. So you see what I'm saying? So we got that one there. I can show you one more. Thread safety. Oh yeah. So basically, the one I've been working on today is this one. 1 second. Oh, my laptop's lagging. My laptop's lagging. It's lagging. Basically, I'm different building for money right now. So you see this? Oh, it's still going. This video's still going. No wonder it's lagging. So it's like 1 second. So you see that one. So that one is like it's a zero knowledge proof system. You don't need to, basically it's good for blockchain. But I'll just show you how to use it here. So you get the npix0 command here, but I don't. Oh man, it's so laggy. It's laggy because it's like on the internet, which is like I'm streaming live. It doesn't really wait 1 second. So basically this is me live, but 1 second. So I'm looking for something. My new video. Basically, I got a new video here to show you. But oh, sorry. Basically, I got it here. Oh, sorry. Let me go here. So basically, the new video is the one which was transcript. With transfer. So let me get the latest video I've made. Oh wait. I go Wartech. Wait. 1 second. Wait, what would you prefer? Would you prefer I show you some Wartech, or would you prefer I show you more projects? Because I go Wartech.
What is Wartech?
Wartech. Okay, let me get you the transcript. You see what they can decipher it. Let me just ask the AI live. But you like it? I love it. I love the idea. So basically, here we got water. So stop. See, it's lagging. It's lagging. I can't even like do anything. Basically, I don't even like contaminate it, because the AI will get confused. So I rather just have a new instance. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I could say it now.
Yep, new chat. So the new chat. So clear chat. So basically, you're gonna ask it what is OBNXS or Wartech. GitHub.com/OBNXS NSIGII. But that's like it looks open yes. Basically, this is like a turtle. This is like a human sexual water. Basically, it's like if something starts happening, the war, the device wants able to know it is. The README file typically but it's like basically the AI doesn't really understand what it's saying. But it's dimensions for yeah, it's like not even trying to, because it's kind of like not a private account. So basically, AI is refusing to answer in a coherent way, or something they can understand. Because he knows what is there, and it's kind of he knows what he's doing. So, but it's not that it's dumb. It's just he's playing by his rulebook, because the AI can be liable too. That's why it is. Because if the AI system wasn't liable, it will speak coherently. We understand it. So that's kind of like from them. So this is like a Wartech. Here, this is water. Basically, it's tech for war, but it's not for killing people. Okay, think of it like this: if you don't understand anything I say after I say these sentences, then I failed you. But please try and understand that this is just the beginning of it. So, are you ready for me to explain it to you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so basically, it is not a if you have a toy soldier in your brain, or a toy you play as a child, that's a toy soldier. Now that soldier can simulate war, like or you control it with a controller, you control it, but like a battle robot, or
Yeah.
yep. So that's the idea here. Same thing here. You allow your maximum creativity, no matter your environment. So the war simulation. Think of it like a soldier can fight, or you can back a robot fighting the soldier. It doesn't really matter. But in the grand scheme of things, you don't have all the inputs to punch. You're not being trained to fight. So because it's a toy, it's supposed to be more fun. You see what I mean? But it's not a weapon either. The soldier cannot kill you. You cannot use it to stab someone and kill someone with a toy soldier. That's kind of idea here. So that's war tech. Basically, it's war, but you have weapons, but they're meant to train you for the real world. But they're toys too, so it's like toys and weapons, but you don't use it to kill people. You use it to sustain yourself. Like that's basically the difference between having a weapon and having a toy. You get it?
Okay. Yes.
Yep. That's the only thing you have to remember if you don't understand it. Okay?
Well, hold on. Like, have you finished explaining?
Yeah. So basically, it's basically if I have a gun, real gun right now, people will be scared of me, because they think I'm a terrorist, everything. But it's not about the gun per se. If I'm fighting for good cause, it's about my sanity. Think of it like that. Am I trained? Basically, if a soldier comes out for a war, they're called killers, murderers, but they went to war to fight the country. So why aren't they given respect? If you want to think about it from a moral side, so the idea is to train them so they don't come and commit genocide back to the people. Because those things can happen.
So
So
it's basically a defense mechanism.
no, it's a growth. It's a learning mechanism. Because think of it like that. Think of it more like this. So if I have a son, and my son's violent, but we don't know why he's violent. Then he gets a BB gun, a BB gun. But he's not crazy because you get treated badly in school. Then my son gets a BB gun, but the BB gun is what? What? Just a training. But we didn't guide him. So it's like more of a guidance. To train you. You get it?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's gonna start like learning by itself.
Yes. So he's gonna learn to be a gangster, basically. I honestly don't know how to put it like that. So he's gonna learn to get a gun, because that's real world, basically. He's gonna learn to defend himself, because he didn't have the upbringing. So it becomes like a negative one. So why are we still learning from wrong, but you get the guidance too? That would be the difference there. You know, because if I can teach my son,
The war tech.
yes.
War tech you're talking about is a game.
No, okay. So basically, think of it like so. What you don't understand why this is. So do you know? If you don't know this, if you don't understand this now, then I failed you again because it's still new. But I'm trying to make it better. So now, basically, say you have the right to defend, Article 51. But you don't know what Article 4 means. But you're basically, if you go to court, if you punch someone on the street and you quote Article 51, right to self-defense, because they attack you first, you get away with it. But if you don't know that, what would you do? You go to prison. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes, that's the idea. So it prepares you for things like that, encounters like that. It's like boxing. You like basically anyone. It's like boxing. So you're boxing.
Oh.
You get what I'm saying?
Oh.
But
so
you
like
don't know when you're gonna get to a box fight. You don't know because someone's gonna one day attack you because you're aware that the streets are dangerous automatically, because you grew up in a dangerous era. But you don't know when someone's gonna throw a punch at you, because you have some bad blood, but you don't know who's gonna do it. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, one more, so you can get this in your head. Yes, say my son has a basically say I have a son. Say my child, we are children, and we are training. We are training together. We're training, not for war. But basically we have guns. We all have guns. All children allow guns in my framework. So we have to basically I'm an adult and you're my child. No, basically I'm your mom. You're basically anyone you want prefer. So I'm a child. And you are a mafia boss. But I give you one real gun, and I keep one of your real guns. So you have two guns, but you get to keep one at all times because you're my son and I care for you. You're a position of power. So instead of me defending you all the time and getting paranoia, I give you what? Arms to defend yourself. But I'm going to give you the dummy gun. And I hide the... And I create some kind of mechanism to hide what? The real gun. So basically, whenever you need the real gun, it's there, but you don't know when you're gonna need it, unless you're really sure you need it. So you have to go through some training process to get the real gun. You see? Because you can look, you can look all bossy or have a gun on the street, like, oh, my music, my dad, but you don't have a real gun. Because they think they're scared of you. So until you encounter real danger, you get the real weapon. But why isn't it a dummy weapon? You're still training. You get it?
Yeah.
That's the idea.
So it's like a hero trying to like be the like the boss.
Oh,
Right?
no. Okay, look. Let me give you this way. No. You're not understanding me. Sorry, because you don't use the analogy there. So basically, say I don't have any problem. I don't have any problem because I'm a child. I'm not a mafia child, but I'm a child, but I don't have a problem. Then one day I meet a rival gang, a rival like a child. What would I do?
Okay, I would tell my parents and like trying to like.
No. We're not talking about children playing around. We're talking about children in like in a dangerous situation, like in a drugs.
Okay, I'm gonna shoot them.
You gotta shoot them. Yes,
Yeah.
but they are meant to scared of you first because they're children, so you have to shoot them first. But if you shoot them first, you what? Become a rebel, and their kids will kill you too. You get it?
Yeah.
Now, listen. Cause you're a child, you will not know, good or bad. So what you will do is you shoot out fear. You get it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Me shoot out fear will make all their friends angry, and they'll come and kill my dad. You get it?
Yeah.
So this is like a war tech. So it's not like you. It's basically you have two protocols. Look. It's just the beginning of this, basically. But you have two ways to do it. So for every two guns you have, one gun you have two real guns. You don't have to use the basically it's a protocol. So it's just a new thing I made. So you get one gun for every real guns you have one fake gun. And when one fake gun breaks down, you have two real guns. So you have other real guns. So basically you have one real gun, one fake gun, and two real guns because you are defending yourself. It's called sparse defense. So it's offensive because it's sparse. That means you can navigate it. You think about it's life or death. What's that called? It's like war tech. You get it now?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the idea behind the war tech.
Oh, so complicated. What the heck?
It's complicated because you're not used to it, and basically there's a lot of fire in my area, so we do this. But it's not complicated because you're not basically you're not a fighter. That's why you don't know it. You don't know you never basically if I'm a rebel now, say like I'm a rebel, I'm rebelling, but I'm rebelling by politically. But I have like people like opposition who have weapons. Like Democrat, Republicans who have weapons, no Democrats in America. I'm a Republican. Yeah, you get it. But we're allowed to.
People turn like in order you want to fight, you have to train.
No, that's not the idea. The idea is you are rebelling. You're rebelling, but you are politically, you're doing it diplomatically, you're doing it the right way. You don't choose someone, you're not rebelling. You get it now.
Okay, I could get it. Yeah,
But it's because you're in a state of rebellion, then someone's to take you up. But they can take you out with the political campaign or by you get it?
Yeah.
So what would you do in that scenario? You get it?
I would run.
Because yes, you will run, but this is a protocol for people who want to live. So it's like that. So basically, it's like all the tech has to be modeled by this. So it's like two guns. So basically, my first gun, if I was doing politician, I'll have a gun, a real gun, and a fake gun. But I'll keep the fake gun to scare off people who want to retaliate. You get it? But I will never tell them it's fake.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah, sure.
You get it?
I could get it. Yeah.
So when the real danger comes, they get shot by the real gun, but they won't know what happened. You get it?
Yeah.
It's the same thing here because it's about rebelling. If I want to rebel, I can be screaming and shouting,
But
no.
like, they are we ally? Because like
No. Look, look. Okay, look. For me, look. Okay, let me give you an example. So I'm autistic. I'm on the spectrum. Are you on the spectrum?
no.
No. Then we're not allies. But now let me give you an example. Now, I'm on the earth. I'm on the earth. Are you on the earth?
Yes.
Yes. So we align where as on the earth. We're on the earth. But if a threat comes from outer space, now there's two of us. We can use this framework because you get it. Because if an alien wants to invade our planet, like tomorrow, we can say use the framework. I can speak to you about. I can give you a real gun, my real gun, one real gun. I keep one of your real gun. So whenever basically we have two guns. Basically, I have two guns. For the
Oh, okay.
You get it.
Okay.
But we only aligned because we're not aligned in name, shape, or form, but we form
Yeah,
alliance.
like companion
Yes.
trying to trust each other.
You get it. So do you like it? You like it? Basically, the problem with this right now is there's a lot of simulation I have to do. Because it is war tech. It is like a real war tech. But the idea of having a tech for war, it is before the war comes in, so you don't die in the war. So that's the idea behind the war tech. You love it, don't you? I love it too.
Damn, that's scary as fuck. It's so...
Yeah, it's scary because look, the military right now is investing in a lot of simulation because the same thing I'm doing. Because literally, you can compute who's gonna get killed. It's just some maths and some formulas you put in to a computer, and you can simulate killing people. So basically, this is like my one. You get it?
Yeah.
I love myself. So basically, you got the protocol here, but this is like for one person, this for us, but you get this one here, here. But it's like a protocol one taking flight, to acquire battlefield information. Basically, this is signal.
Are you working with someone right now, or like
No,
you?
no.
Or do you have a war tech?
Oh, basically, I work for myself, but I don't. Basically, this is information warfare there.
Oh, so you like trying to fight yourself and like?
No. Look, no, I'm not fighting myself. I'm learning from my past. So basically, there's a lot of war in my country. So what I'm doing right now, basically, I think about basically children have guns in my country. We have guns. We can get guns easily. So I have a lot of experience, naturally with guns. But I never shot a gun. You see what I'm saying? So the thing is, I remember I've been around guns, but I've never actually I've shot a gun in the UK, but I've never actually remembered shooting a gun because I don't have the full experience to do it again. You know what I'm saying? So what I can do is I can learn to use the framework to do it again, but I don't have to relearn it because I already know what the gun looks like, but only like one gun. I'm saying, so I need to save someone's life or kill someone, by killing someone else. But I don't say that yet. So that's the idea there. So it's war tech. Do you like the idea? I love this idea.
Yeah.
Oh my days, I feel so aligned. Basically, I'm trying to stop the stream here, but
The war behind information and coding.
look. Think of it this way now. Think of it. You have something that mimics like some kind of component, like some sound, but it doesn't shoot. There's no fire. You get it? So, but that enough will be enough for a simulation. You get it? So when it comes to the real world, what do? You don't think about it because that's what the whole army or the Russia, all the countries are investing in, war simulations. They don't really care that you can't do it because when you enter a simulation, the simulation is enough for you to not do it in real life and kill someone. That's what they're going for now. They don't want to put you there and you just die. No more. You get it? So that's the idea. That's why everyone's going with it.
So it's like your real war tech is like you can like lose your system in any moment.
basically it's kind of like that, but it's not like that. Yes, it's exactly like that. But let me go to the repository. So yes, it's exactly like that. Sorry, it's basically you get basically I give you basically you have to stop this stream and start again. 1 second, let me just stop streaming because it's kind of like taking a lot of space. Because it's like kind of slowing down my laptop. I mean, 1 second. Okay, I'll stop the stream. I'll start again. Okay.